An infinite loop. The world of infinites in mathematics have led to a tremendous amount of insights when discussing aspects of conceptual math, none more so than the advancements made by George Cantor and fellow great mathematicians. This had, however, led to many complications in the world of real-world applications relative to the concept of infinites. A sphere, in this regard, could be considered an object with infinite points on its surface, and when the math is worked out correctly, one could, in perfect mathematical theory, create two perfect spheres with the same mass, size, and density of the original sphere. This is referred to as the Banach-Tarski paradox, and though many scientists had initially regarded the concepts of this application as impossible in the real world, the math was right. It was not until many decades later that numerous researchers had begun noticing strange theories coming to light. The CERN Institute, during its testing of particle collisions and subatomic particles breaking down, began noticing a creation of more particles than initially started with. In fact, a paper had recently been published believing that not only was the Banach-Tarski paradox applicable in the real world, but that many of the calculation errors and research at CERN helped to prove that this phenomenon was already naturally occurring. If this research is correct, it could mean that the traditionally held theories of the laws of conservation of energy could be entirely incorrect, and that new particles could be cloned from existing particles naturally. This, alongside the existing mind-blowing theory that we exist inside a black hole, could very well mean that every time a new black hole is created, a universe in perfect copy of our own could be created as well. This could very well mean that we are stuck in what appears to be an infinite loop, as the universe forms and dies countless times and falls into a black hole and restarts all over again. Of course, since the very laws of the universe are unchanging, this would mean that all of the factors relative to creation would stay the same, and ultimately create a universe that would play out exactly as our own. Could it be that you have seen this very video over 1 trillion times already? Regarding new theories, it could very well be possible.